Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. The unboxing for today is this huge envelope from Amazon.
As usual.
Amazon Prime. Let's see. Ta-da! So, let's put it there. It's quite light. So, I'm wondering what is
light
this?
but bulky-ish.
Really? Let's see.
We got our baby here.
Hello, Baba. Hello. There's a Christmas lighting. Shining bright. Okay guys, so this is the unboxing. So, oh my gosh, look at that. I'm so excited. What is this? Oh dear. Wow. Look at that guys. It's velvety. Velvet. The material is velvet.
Don't tear the thing, because you can keep it in there to keep it dust free.
Oh.
Because I only use it once in a while in the bedroom. When
Like,
you're sitting on the settee.
it looks nice. Look. There is a button in here. And I have to open the button and ta-da! What's this? And when this dirty, I suppose, you can open the zip and wash it.
Yeah, but try not to get it dirty.
Oh, so there's a thing to put a pencil in here.
Yeah.
So guys, this is
It's
laptop.
not laptop, it's for tablets.
For
Which are
tablet.
smaller, yeah.
So so this, is this like that? Put it there.
No, I think that's where the tablet goes.
First the tablet goes.
No.
So like that.
No.
So
The tablet goes in the groove. Where is the groove?
in the groove here.
Yeah. So that you have to put the Velcro on the back and you can adjust it. The Velcro should go on the...
Oh, so see, so this is Velcro. So you can adjust the height.
Yeah, as to how you want to.
Oh, so it
And
doesn't...
then it leans on there.
So, yeah, so that's quite strong Velcro.
Yeah, the only problem
So
with Velcro is it wears out after a while.
So it's not for...
It's for tablets.
So this is okay as well.
Yeah, but you don't use that one. It's an old...
Yeah, I know. So, but...
Tablets
to use
of any size.
To use the tablet,
Tablets
put it
are
like that.
around 10-11 inches. So.
Yeah, I know. So maybe I'll go and get the tablet.
So I can just demonstrate with that.
Yeah,
one.
that's what I'm saying. So you can use anything. So because this fits as well.
Yeah.
So you can put a smaller laptop, but not the big laptop. I suppose because this it might unclip.
Yeah, it's not suitable for laptops.
Yeah, so it's just for tablets. So
Yeah,
it's
tablets
lighter.
only.
So it's
Yeah,
for
because
lighter.
it's the size. Because with laptop you have 2 sections, so it doesn't suit.
Yeah, that's right. So this.
It's only for tablets.
Yeah.
Tablets or even mobiles.
Yeah.
When you're sitting on the settee, you just put that on your lap.
Yeah, because this one is...
Yeah, it's not for that either.
So it doesn't go in there.
No.
So
Tablets and
so it's the tablet.
even mobiles.
When it's just one piece like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, I get it. So this go on the lap.
Yeah.
And you can put it on the table as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the lap or
But
on
on
the
the table you
or
can
on the
put the
desk.
other ones, the small plastic ones,
Yes.
because it's steady and
Yeah.
flat. But on your lap you need this.
Yeah. And it's good because there is a pen holder
Yeah,
in there. So it's only two. So that's good. Amazing. This is an amazing invention.
amazing.
Thank you so much, darling, for
So
buying
the
this.
only problem is the Velcro does wear out
So,
after a while.
yeah, because you can put it, there is a groove
Yeah,
in there. You
that's
can
where
put
on the
the
bottom of the
thing.
tablet
Yeah,
goes.
that is the pencil holder. But it's nothing here, nothing there. So it's like a pillow.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like a pillow. It's very soft. If I press it like that, look,
yeah,
it's indented, so it's just very soft.
yeah. Soft, light, and
Yeah,
comfortable to have on your
yeah,
lap.
only this is padded. So it's a it's
Yeah,
very strong.
avoid pulling that too often, because
Yeah.
it will wear out.
So just like that. So and then put it. So you can put it in any height.
Yeah,
So you
depending
want,
on
yeah,
how you are sitting
depending on the height of
and
the
the size of
tablet.
the tablet as well.
Yeah. Oh, and there is a thing here as well. Can put a note. There is a pocket in here. You can put the sticky notes in there as well. I use sticky notes a lot. So 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 that's it, guys. The unboxing for today. This, what do you call this time?
Tablet
Tablet
lap holder.
tablet lap holder. So that's good. And there is a thing here. If it's not in use, can clip it in and then put it away. And if it's dirty, it can be washed because there is a zip here that can be opened. So it's a case, like a pillowcase. That's amazing. Wow, I love it, darling. Thank you so much for buying this for
You're
me.
welcome, my darling.
You're thinking everything for me. Thank you so
But
much.
it'll be Christmas in a few days.
Also, this is early
Come.
Christmas. Wow. So this is a early Christmas, guys. Early Christmas gift.
Yes.
Okay, baby. You like it? Do you like it?
Babes.
Do you like it, babe? Say hello. Say hello to the YouTube world.
Say hello to our viewers.
Say hello to our viewers, baby. Say hello. Oh, he's curious about that noise outside.
Yes.
Yes.
The
Excuse me, your tail. Excuse
rose
me.
bush
Excuse
scraping
me,
on the
your
window.
tail.
Tail.
You want to? Okay, I'll give you way. Yeah. Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.